Welcome back, SkillsArt family. It's your brother Blas here, and today we're going to go over candlesticks and how to read candlesticks. Let's get to the computer, let's get started. So, first of all, we're going to talk about what is a candlestick, right? Because most charts that you see, maybe you see them on TV or whatever, they're line charts, right? That's kind of hard to read, so we're trying to get more precise by using candles. This is what a candle is right here. And this is the body of a candle, and this is the wick of a candle, right? Or the shadow. I call it wick because it's a candle. And these are daily candles, and this is the body. This is where it opens, this is where it closed, and this is the highest price that it went within this time frame. Since these are daily candles within this day, it went this low and this high, but it opened here and closed here, okay? And this is a big, strong, healthy candle, so this will show a trend continuation. These are bullish candles. The green ones are bullish candles, the red ones are bearish candles. Bulls go up, bears go down, okay? So what we look for with candles is this is just another confirmation, right? You don't have just one strategy that may not work. If it works for you, then it works for you. But what we're doing here with price action is we're trying to have multiple confirmations, okay? So this is just another way that we confirm on top of trend lines, on top of support and resistance. Then we have candles, right? So for example here, this is something that you'd be able to read, catch right here. You see this trend going downward. This is a bearish trend, and these are all strong, healthy candles. And as you see, these start getting smaller, so the selling pressure starts getting slower and weaker.
If you guys want to continue watching this video, subscribe to our website at skillsarts.com. We have more content and exclusive indicators that will help you succeed in the markets. Till next time.